Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you want to learn English, you are in the right place. I'm here to help you with some useful English sentences. So let's start our today's lesson. हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है तुम क्या छुपा रहे हो? What are you hiding? What are you hiding? वो तुम्हारा क्या लगता है? What is he to you? What is he to you? वो मेरा भाई है. He is my brother. He is my brother. मेरा ख्याल है. I think so. I think so. तुम इस बारे में सोचते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you think about it? Why don't you think about it? मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनता. He doesn't listen to me. He doesn't listen to me. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा है? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? क्या तुम मुझे याद करते हो? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. बात को मत खींचो. Don't stretch the matter. Don't stretch the matter. मुझे इस मामले में मत घसीटो. Don't drag me in this matter. Don't drag me in this matter. और अगर हमने ये कहना हो कि अपने पाँव मत घसीटो तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. उसे बताओ. Let her know. Let her know. मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताती हूँ. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. इसे राज रखना. Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. वो कभी समझौता नहीं करेगी. She will never compromise. She will never compromise. वक्त ज़ाया मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. वक्त कीमती है. Time is precious. Time is precious. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. I need some money. I need some money. मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी हो गई. My wish is fulfilled. My wish is fulfilled. अगर तुम चाहो. If you want. If you want. मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये कर सकता हूँ. I can do it for you. I can do it for you. कोई नहीं जानता. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. मुझे सब याद है. I remember everything. I remember everything. उस पर यकीन मत करो. Don't trust him. Don't trust him. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more lessons, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you can easily get the notification when I will upload my new video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.